The proposition we offer to our customers is a one-stop shop, an easy-to-use platform with an efficient way of ordering their print. The OnPrintShop system allows our customers to find, price and purchase what they need quickly and easily with the minimum of fuss. This in turn makes it more efficient for them to purchase their print by not using the traditional methods of quoting, waiting for that quote and then having to manually place the order. The OnPrintShop system provides a platform that does all of this, helping not only us become more efficient, but the customer more efficient when they come to placing orders for print. The major aspects that have helped our platform become a success, we believe, are 1. The dynamic price calculator. This has allowed us to eradicate any other quoting software and allows us to keep a catalogue of items all dynamically priced. 2. The comprehensive designer and calendar studio. This software has helped our company push deeper into a market we already do well in. By allowing our customers software to create their items has dramatically grown our business. And 3. The platform is also allowing us to bring all other aspects of the business together, not only providing us with a workflow, but collating all orders into one place, handling the invoicing, the management of the jobs. We have recently integrated the software with an accountancy package, so we are building a solid central admin for the entire business. I think the biggest fears that you have when starting an online business is all the unanswered questions that can arise. With no one in your business with the expertise to answer those questions, you become very fearful of the way forward. We have found that on PrintShop, the entire team have allowed us to ask as many questions as possible, have given us on-point answers every time. They essentially are the reason, or the way that we've overcome our fears of moving online. We are looking to move into new markets, and we feel that without OnPrintShop, it will be a very scary experience.